What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the GPTOYS McGruff S926. And so this is a 1/12 scale RC truck, and so this one comes with a smaller transmitter. I was surprised by that. This came with the same size transmitter that came with one of their micro RCs, but for the most part it's still an awesome transmitter. Pistol grip style here. It does the reversing and all. It has the steering trim. It has the speed. You can change the speeds on it, normal and slow, and you have steering reverse on it. And so let's have a look underneath the hood on this. The cover is pretty nice. You can see through the windows. So really awesome that GPTOYS has been doing that with their covers, their body covers. Now check this out. This body might look familiar to some of you guys. So if you have this RC here, then this thing looks really familiar. So same body, just different wheels. And these things that hold the wheels or whatnot are a little longer on that other RC. So they just shortened it, and everything else is the same. It takes these same batteries here. Oh, I forgot to bring my extras out. I have extras of these batteries actually, because my other RC comes with the same body and all, and it has the same batteries. It's pretty hard to get these clips off here without having a tool or anything. They just pop off though. And the battery looks like an oversized AA battery, and they're actually 3.7 volts each. So you have one on each side, and so this is a 2S powered vehicle here, and you can't go any higher because of the way that the batteries are and all. The form factor limits you from going higher than 2S. I think this motor size is a 360 size, but I'm not 100% sure. It has this heat sink on here on the motor there. And so really awesome little RC. It does have lights just like the other one that has the same body. This has the same plug in there for the lights. This is the receiver here. Pretty nice little servo here on the front for steering. And so let's get this thing running so I can show you how awesome this thing is. Been having a lot of fun with it. It looks really dusty because I've been drifting with it. This thing is a really awesome drifter. Pretty hard to flip this thing over. I flipped it over once, and I think I might have hit like a bump or something when I was doing a slide at full speed, and that's what made me eventually flip over. But really hard to flip this over. It has really nice shocks on it. Oh, that other car, I think it has I think the other car has oil-filled shocks. This one does not have oil-filled shocks, but they work well. Really nice working shocks there. Really nice suspension. So let's get the body pins back on this thing and let's run it to show you guys how it runs. This switch on this body here tends to get stuck, but we finally got it on. Happened to my other RC that has the same body as this one, but let's put this thing on the ground, run it. So we're gonna run it on slow first. Let's see if we can get the steering trim right. I think it's right now. Oh, looks like it's a little off. There we go. Pretty cool now. So we're in low speeds now. Check it out. So this thing does some really nice drifting and sliding. Doesn't flip over on you. Let's look at the brakes. So that's the brakes. You can just keep the gas all the way pressed. You can just keep the gas all the way pressed and still do your hard turns and slides, and this thing doesn't flip over. And so let's get it in high. So we're in high speed now. Big difference in speed there. Not the fastest, but this thing does get moving. Check it out. Now guess what? It still doesn't flip over. Awesome drifting with it. I'm not the best at drifting. I'm pretty sure some of you experts out there at drifting will have a great time with this thing. Not really all that great a jumper. The bottom of the frame just bottoms out when you do jumps. So I think that's the front bumper that hits. Pretty nice lights on it. Check out my drifting. That's the brakes there. Nice drifting. GPTOYS McGruff S926. Thanks for watching.